This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That way we continue to give you great content, at least the content, you know, that makes sense for you. So we got this 1985 Carrera Carrera Porsche, and we're gonna upgrade the radio, and we're gonna upgrade the speakers, take those out, those Renegades out, and we're gonna go with we're gonna put this Porsche style radio in it, Porsche Classic, and some Hertz MPX 165.3s, and probably an amp. So what comes in the box with this, and the reason he's upgrading this is he wants to do CarPlay on that screen, but we're not going to put a couple of features in like the mic and the GPS antenna. He doesn't want that in the car. So we're going to see what's in the box. So what comes in the box is obviously some manuals, and it's obviously the customer took some stuff out already. The new radio, the GPS antenna, the USB for the phone and the CarPlay, connectors, and the aux in, and the antenna adapter for that radio, and some new knobs, classic knobs. Mounting hardware, removal hardware, the GPS mapping, and the Bluetooth mic in the box. So like I said, we're not going to pull the, we're not going to put in the GPS antenna, we're not going to put the Bluetooth mic in, but it's a nice looking car. So we're going to start by removing the radio and figure out what we're working with here on this side. So stay tuned. Super YouTube mode.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
So with the radio out, we now have to make the connections there. And then we also got to pull the speaker, so we'll start by pulling the speaker out and figuring that out. All right, stay tuned.
Nah, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
So as you can see, we got the front right speaker done with the Hertz speaker grill in there. Snapped right in. We had to obviously cut a hole out slightly larger for what the speaker is. We had to pull out the gasket. As you can see, I took apart that. That was basically a Phillips. This had to be push turn. This is a Phillips, and then these are Allens, and that would be a 5 Allen to take these 4 screws out, and that's it. So I gotta go on the other side and then get that taken apart and modified and get the new speaker in that one, and then we'll focus on getting the rest of it done as far as putting the amp. We're actually going to add an amp as well, so I'll show you where I have the amplifier and go from there. Now it's time to put the radio in, so we're going to mount the radio in that hole and get it all wired up with some butt connectors. As you can see, there's some wires down here. This is a remote turn on for the power regular antenna for the windshield. But they ran some wires up here for the rear speakers, so we're just going to clean all that up, put an amp here hopefully, and go from there. Stay tuned. Excuse the noise. So we got this all put together. We got the Audison amp buried under here, mounted with 4 screws. We ran all the wiring up here, as you can see. And like I said, this 83 Targa is a wrap. It actually sounds really good too. So customers should like it. You can see the USB cable right here. It's a little aux main. He's in business. Just got to make it sound good. We just got to basically make it look. Peace.